Get your chopsticks out, because today we're making chicken fried rice. You'll need 1 chicken breast, 1 egg, white rice, oyster sauce, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, green onions, yellow onions, a carrot, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of frozen peas. I'm going to give you the quick rundown on how you make white rice. We're going to use 2 cups of it, and we're going to wash it about 2 or 3 times or until the water comes out clear. I know that takes away the vitamins and nutrients, but I like to wash my rice. I make white rice about a few times a week at my house, so I always eyeball the amount of water I use. But in this case, you're going to use 1 cup of water, or so it's 1/2 inch above the rice. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and add 1/2 teaspoon of corn oil or cooking oil. You don't want to overdo it because it'll come out greasy. And then just mix it up. Put the lid on it, hit the cook button, and it'll be ready in 20 minutes. Once it's done, you mix it up and refrigerate for the next day. Chop up your chicken breast into small chunks or cubes, depending on the size that you like. Here we have oyster sauce, and we're gonna get 1/2 tablespoon of that and put it in a little bowl. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and mix them both together. In a bowl, you're gonna crack an egg open and add some salt and pepper and just whisk it up. And a pinch of salt and pepper to your chicken. I don't have a wok, so in a pot on high heat, I added the tablespoon of butter until it melts, and I'm tossing in my scrambled eggs, and I'm just gonna cook them until at least they're halfway done. You don't want them fully done because then they're just gonna be really chewy in your rice. Then you just take them out and set them aside. Now that we finished with the egg, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to our pot, pan, wok, whatever it is that you're using. We're gonna begin sauteing our onions, garlic, our ginger, and then toss in the chicken right after you finish with that. There we go. And we're gonna cook it through. Make sure it's cooked well. You don't wanna have raw chicken. Add the carrots, cook them for about, I'd say a minute and a half, and throw in the rice and mix it well. And then you're gonna add your soy sauce and oyster sauce, mix that well, and drop in the eggs that you had cooked. I also added more soy sauce. Oh, there go my onions and my peas. So like I was saying, I added more soy sauce because it wasn't brown enough, and I like it with color, so it's all to taste. Remember, you also don't want to overdo it because soy sauce does have salt. And that's it, you're all done. After everything has cooked together for about 4 to 5 minutes, you're done. Enjoy.